Tila natural na sa ibang tao ang pagiging mapagkilatis o overly judgmental. Parang si Nathanael sa gospel natin today when he said, "Can anything good come from Nazareth?" Whether honesty at being straightforward ito or pagiging judgmental, what we want to focus our attention to is actually the actions of Jesus toward Nathanael. Alam niya ang lahat. Kilala niya si Nathanael. And most likely, Jesus knows what he was thinking. Pero magkaganon pa man, hindi ba't pinili pa rin ni Jesus si Nathanael bilang kanyang alagad? Ginamit pa rin siya ng Panginoon at pinagkatiwalaan sa misyon. God's love is indeed steadfast, even amidst rejections and false judgment. Sana tayo rin. G ka ba?